I see here, this is the liver. I'm throwing the kick to the liver, and from this position, I'm throwing a right. Here I'm at a safe distance. I'm throwing a right. And then from here again, I kick. The way to do this combination usually is right, left. Right, left. But we can also go left, right, left. This is 2. Stick to the end of the video to know what number 1 is. They're basically doing the hook here and then the low kick. Come on, low kick. It's like, you're not at the distance, dumbass. It's not the right distance. How do you guys hook somebody? Is right here. So how would it make sense to drill this is if the guy blocks the way he would block in a fight or sparring. So if I hook him. So that's it. Just remember, you heard this from me first in case I start making videos about this technique. I was the first one, the first YouTuber to make a video on this particular technique, guys. Okay, so just remember that, guys. I know they're probably gonna end up copying what I'm doing here. This one in particular is a very important one, if not one of the most important ones that you really only see in Holland. You don't really see this one in America or in MMA or anywhere else. Now, if you guys haven't seen the basics on how to do basic Dutch drilling, click on the link above right here to see the basics on Dutch drilling before you see the rest of this video. I'm gonna take you guys through all the steps of the things that we do here. And keep in mind, these videos are not really made by other YouTubers, okay? Yeah, no. Yeah. First time he learns this himself. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome to Kickboxing Secrets Part 2. If you haven't seen Part 1, click on the link above and check that one out before you see this video. Today we have Klaus with us. You know, he's gonna help us out so that this video looks better. And we're gonna also teach him the techniques that we're gonna see today. So this is gonna be the Dutch left, right, right, left rule. All rules are meant to be broken, okay? But this rule is basically more for beginners when they're first starting out, okay? That they actually almost always combine like this in the beginning, so that they actually have power when they're sparring against people that are more advanced. Je linkerhand bij je elleboog. Dus je gaat je linkerhand hier houden. Je gaat het ook bij jou doen. Maar die elleboog die moet je focuseer. Die elleboog die moet binnen hier, binnen de, ja daar, precies zo. Die bij je hoofd. Weet je waarom? Weet je waarom? Van hier ga je trappen naar het lever. Je lever zit echt hier. Dus met de linkerbeen, die ken je al. Daar, dan ga je ook op mij doen zo meteen. Dus heel makkelijk, oké? Gewoon hier, pam, met de linkerbeen. Je kan switchen, of je kan direct met de been, pam, ligt aan jou, oké? Dus we gaan combineren rechts. Dus ga maar zo, gewoon zo staan. Dus rechts. Nee, gewoon poem. Neem hem, op je hand, rechts. En dan hierna moet die hand daar bij je elleboog komen. En dan komt die trap, oké? Nog een keer. Dus links. Nog een keer. Hier. Rechts. Linker trap. Boom. Nee, echt hier. Gewoon daar. Pak, gewoon pakken. Boom. Je kan niet hard trappen, oké? Nog een keer. Rechts. Links. Ja. Nog een keer. Rechts. Links. Boom. Oké? Jij gaat eerst dan nee. Om en om gewoon, oké? Ready? And go.
En nou jij?
Ja. Om en om. Wel goed je elleboog raken, hè?
Dat is goed.
Ja, gewoon zo. Anders gaat je mis. Nou, nog een stoot erbij. Stoot, trap, stoot. Go. Stoot, trap, stoot. Zelfde stoot.
Met links?
Nee, dezelfde stoot. Rechts, links, rechts. Netjes. As you guys can see, now we're already moving. I'm going back, and he's going back. People that show Dutch drilling, they're doing it wrong. They're basically putting the hand here, do my hook. They're basically doing the hook here and then the low kick. Come on, low kick. It's like, you're not at the distance, dumbass. It's not the right distance. How do you guys hook somebody? Is right here. So how would it make sense to drill this? Is if the guy blocks the way he would block in a fight or sparring. So if I hook him, tweede hand. If I hook him, één hier, één hier, één hier. Die gewoon bij je hoofd en dan doe je, die blijft uit, die gaat alleen mee. Okay? So when I hook him, right towards his face, see? He got that one. He needs to move his hands a little bit more towards me. Nog een keer, it's the first time he learns this himself. There, good. Now he has to stand on that leg.
Huh?
Nee, ga maar. Ik ga niet trappen daarna. Dus neem hem eerst. So that's the way you guys want to do it, okay? One more time. One of the things I didn't teach, I didn't explain in the first video, is that one of the points of doing this one is that you don't look at the legs. A lot of these guys will do this drill like this, where they do the hook. Hier, doe maar hier. This is wrong, this is verkeerd. They'll do the hook here, and then they'll step here. It's like, punch me. Boom. Makes no sense. You need to come closer. Boom, boom, then you kick. Okay, so you're gonna go move your body here like as if you just did the cross, but you're not gonna throw the cross. Pak hem, ik ga jou dood. Dus neem hem. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nou ga jij. Kom maar dichtbij.
Links en met rechts,
ja,
toch?
links, rechts.
Met links slaan
Links
en
hier.
met rechts stompen.
Nee, links, rechts. Wat ik net deed. Hoek, links.
Linkerhoek.
Pa, yes. Nou ga ik. Dichterbij, je moet echt dichterbij komen. Maar je moet je schouder erbij in doen. Make sure you guys put your shoulder in. Otherwise there's no power. Ronde, hier nog een keer. Zo. En dan hier. Ja, beter. Lager, nog een keer. Lower. Make sure you guys come in closer.
Nee, sla me niet af.
Hier. Ja, nog een keer. Ja. Go. Hier moet u komen. Je gaat letterlijk maar gezegd aan de zijkant. Hier, ga maar. Ja. Nou die andere. Links, rechts, links. Go. Rechts, links. Rechts, links. Go. Laatste, dit is de laatste.
Stompen.
Waar we daarvoor
Nee.
reden. Go, we gaan hem mixen.
Trappen.
Rechter
Ga
stoot,
maar rechts,
linker
jongen.
stoot.
Ga maar gewoon rechts. Links.
Ja.
Links. Rechts. Nou ik.
Oh, nou moet ik.
Nee, gewoon hier. Ja, nog een keer. Nog een keer. Hetzelfde. Nou links. Nog een keer hetzelfde. Nog ga jij. Kom op. Hier. Kom, nog een keer. Bam. Okay, time.
Hoe nadenken.
Till the next video, guys. Catch you later.